Yeah, well, this is heavy. Hey, what's up guys, Giacomo here. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a piece that I had in my wish list for a very long time. I'm talking about the ZENITH El Primero Chronomaster Open. The reason it's called Open, it'll be clear to you in a minute. Without further ado, let's get into it. Right off the bat, this is a pretty big box, heavy as well at 2.5 kilos. By the way, I always request that sleeve. It sounds like geeky and weird, but this will complete that purchase experience, and it has some collecting value as well. Some ADs, for some reason, dispose of that before even checking with you. Don't let them. That's my advice to you. The box itself is made of what I can only imagine is wood with a rubberized exterior wrapping finish. To open the box, one just presses this button right here. The lid opens up on metal hinges and not your run-of-the-mill sheet of metal coil you often see in cheap boxes from other brands. And there it is, the El Primero Chronomaster Open. But before we pull that watch out and take a closer look, check this out. What this cover hides underneath is something truly amazing. The watch is actually sitting in a second box that one can pull out, and check this, it's a compact travel case. How about that? I wish I could convey to you how soft but at the same time compact and well put together this case is. Very classy as well. I think this is something every watchmaker should do, and I mean it. And for some reason, I got two of them. Next up is the customary, albeit nicely packaged cleaning cloth signed ZENITH. And then there's this. The way you pull this out is by pressing on the metal side, and then it just hoists itself up like so. Nice little gift, a USB stick with a showcasing video from ZENITH. Taking a closer look at the good stuff, the El Primero Chronomaster. Case size is 42mm, the crystal is sapphire, and to me it is one of the best looking crystals in the industry. Exhibition case back through which one can appreciate the El Primero movement in all its glory. And this is why it's called Open. There's a window on the dial that allows to peek inside the movement, which is partially exposed. Not only that, but because of the exhibition case back, one can see right through it. Really amazing. This dial is silver with a sunburst finish to it. Sub-dial registers for chrono minutes and chrono hours. The closest thing to a second hand is that tri-spoke rotating element in the lower part of the dial aperture. Nice red chrono hand. Brush finish on the lugs and beautiful beveling around them to meet a mirror polish finish on the flanks of the case. These are probably the best looking lugs and case I've ever seen. This El Primero is caliber 4061, which beats at 36,000 vibrations per hour, truly impressive and signature of the El Primero movement. By the way, this chronograph is also column wheel, automatic with a beautifully machined rotor. On my 18cm wrist, this Chronomaster sits nicely, probably a tad on the big side, but not excessive. The strap is alligator with a rubber inner lining, which not only makes for a very comfortable wear, but it will prevent sweat and grit from damaging the leather, thus preserving its life to some extent. That's an excellent feature. The triple secured deploying butterfly clasp is exquisitely machined and very elegant. And with that, I'm wrapping this one up. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you feel like doing so. Catch you in the next one.